Hey guys, welcome to Moda Life. It's your girl Mariah, and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 houseplants that are great for beginners. So the first plant that I'm going to talk about is the snake plant. I love the snake plant because it's just so beautiful and it just adds so much life to the room. But in addition to that, it is also an air purifying plant. So it turns carbon dioxide into oxygen at night. It helps to detoxify the air from toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. It acts as a defense to airborne allergies, and it also absorbs excess amounts of carbon monoxide. This is a plant that thrives on neglect. So if you really don't have the time and you just need a plant to work for you, the snake plant is here because all you have to do is water it every 10 to 15 days, every 3 to 4 weeks. Some people even say every 2 to 8 weeks. And this plant is low light tolerant, so you can pretty much put it anywhere in your house and be fine. So get yourself a snake plant. The succulent. Well, technically the snake plant is considered a succulent too, I believe, but these are the succulents that you'll see in your regular grocery store. These are great plants that thrive on neglect too because they only require a temperature of 65 to 85 degrees. They require indirect sunlight, and you only water them with 1 inch of water every 3 weeks. So this is like the beta fish of plants, you know? So get yourself a succulent. Guys, I'm not gonna say that like you can't kill these plants, because I've definitely killed this plant, this kind of plant before, but like it's just really hard to kill them. Last plant is the coffee plant. Like, who doesn't love coffee? I just love the idea that if I really take care of this plant, it could produce coffee beans. Like, will it? Probably not, but it has potential. This plant only needs temperature of like 65 to 85. It requires bright indirect sunlight, and you only water it once or twice a week. And it also like communicates with you because it'll let you know when it needs water. It'll just like sag. And then when you put water in it, it'll perk up like you do when you have coffee. So I'm definitely a fan. I got this from Trader Joe's one random day, and I was like, this is a pretty plant. And then later on, I was like, oh my gosh, I can make coffee. We're winning! I hope you found this video informative. Please comment below some of your favorite household plants. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am Mariah Gabrielle. We out here.